All right. Good morning, Melanie. Melanie, how are you?
I'm good, yes.
Right.
Yeah.
So,
The Squirky book series is probably the most meaningful book project that I've done. I wrote it because my son is adopted. He's 3.5 right now. And basically, when I was reading him children's books, I realized there were very few books on children's adoption, and I kind of wanted to write a story for him based on his interests. So he likes aliens and spaceships. He likes adventures. So I decided to do a picture book series. And I was just lucky to find a publisher who was willing to publish it. It was MPH Book Publishing, and from there I decided to just go on with it. So it's a 6-book series. I'm on book 4 now, and I hope to finish it by 2016, this coming year. So the strange thing is that for the longest time since I was like in university, I felt like I would want to write a children's book at some point, just I didn't know when. And I knew that if I did write a children's book, it would be a spiky-haired alien. But it was just kind of left open. I just sort of scribbled some ideas, didn't do anything with it for many years. But when my son came and joined our family, I was, so basically a lot of my friends were coming to visit my place to sort of meet him and sort of welcome him to our circle of friends. And one of my friends is called David. He's an illustrator. He also illustrates other children's books. And he was saying, oh, let's do something for your son, let's just do a fun thing. And we were just thinking like maybe one little ebook with one little story, just for fun. So he asked me like, what did Squirky look like? And so I just described him. Oh, he's spiky, and then because blue's my favorite color, he's blue. And he has a star on his tummy, and so that's how Squirky came to be, as you see in the cover here. With regards to the story, that took much longer because I never written children's books before, and the thing about children's books, for example, you have to take note that as you write the story, you're constantly thinking about the visuals, so it's almost like script writing. So with Why Am I Blue, which is the first book in the adventures of Squirky the alien, Squirky finds out that he is adopted. He just sort of kind of sinks in that he actually looks very different from the rest of his adoptive family. And as he's being explained about how they came to adopt him in the family, Squirky also comes to this realization that that he is loved, but there's also these question marks, and that's why I did continue the book where he still sort of wants to find out more, and that's why he begins at adventures in space and meets different people along the way. And if you read the rest of the books, each time he has a challenge or obstacle to get across, he actually gets to know himself better. So it's been quite an intense experience. I've never written children's books before, especially like children's picture books. It's a first for me. So it was a huge learning curve. So I think after I'm done with this book series, I will probably give it a rest, but I am considering writing some kind of YA novel type because I enjoy YA, reading YA literature. YA is young adult literature. Yeah.